Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Ramsey don come outside from media set where they ask and say, what's be ambition as a footballer presently now? So Baba come talk say now to take Arsenal to the top, and at the same time he won't go represent England for World Cup for 2022, so that one be number one priority after Arsenal. So he won't displace England number one will be Jordan Pickford, and he say this guy can be Everton goalkeeper. So the reason say if he continue with his performances for Arsenal week in week out, say the coachee Gareth Southgate go scam pam and say okay, bless you, but now this guy now we go use as our new number one. The way they displace Ben Leno, so now what he want do Jordan Pickford, and he know say he can achieve him because the way people they give him accolades, they see all these things. Now they read newspaper, now they watch TV now. They see the way people they mention his name, and say all over England, some people they mention his name, say this Arsenal new goalkeeper, and he's very young, he's just 23 years old. Say let's say Gareth Southgate go use him, and all those England players, all those kind of Ben White, Bukayo Saka, I know they go to talk to all those kind of Jack Grealish, all those kind of Sterling. So our keeper good, all those kind of things. Say thing go lift them. I know the more they check, but moving forward, we want to enter England number one. We can get another statistics so we see. Because they talk say get one unsung hero for Arsenal where people know they mention again. They know they to call the name, and this guy now Ben White. Say for the first game when they first played this guy, the guy Ivan Toney come bully him for that match with Brentford play against Arsenal. So a lot of people come outside the talk say Ben White now shit pack. I say why Arsenal will spend £50 million for this kind of guy. The guy now that kind £20 million. Now the guy they what say imagine our Gabriel Magalhaes they don't even buy him up to £30 million. You can't buy Ben White this kind of amount, and ordinary Ivan Toney only bully him. A lot of people talk many things about the guy. The guy can't get coronavirus. He can't go break small. When he can't come back, when they can't pay him with Gabriel Magalhaes, the guy can't play very well. Take for instance, check out that match against Aston Villa. This guy make many blocks. If you say Aston Villa go one wipe shot, he go dive, put in body, like sacrifice himself. They go wipe him shot for head, wipe him shot for belly, wipe him shot for leg. The guy no still worry. You get the guy make some kind of clearances, and the guy make some kind of runs. I check some kind documentary kind of video where we say now only Ben White they just they show for that Aston Villa match. See the way the guy they carry ball from defense, they run, go for attack, they display passes, they give over the top passes. The guy really did very good, but we know they really mention this guy because they talk say now this guy is now an established centre back with the worth that 50 million tag. Be like people who buy 72 million pounds. Can't live up to the expectation. This guy is living up to the hype. How many clean sheets you don't keep together with Gabriel Magalhaes plus Aaron Ramsdale? Easy now. You get before you go even score them now, it go hard. Be all those calamities, all those kind of mistake, all those kind of red card offenses where David Luiz they do those days, or where Rob Holding sometimes Rob Holding and Pablo Mari they go do some kind of small mistake. Now all those mistakes, they again, if you score Arsenal, you see that goal you score Arsenal, go be say any keeper go fit chop am. If the ball don't miss those kind of Ben White and the Magalhaes, then the Ramsdale will catch him. If Ramsdale no fit catch him, we say now unbelievable goal. We say any keeper go to score. See the goal where Aston Villa scores now. How many people feel catch that kind of goal? So now so it just be well moving forward. I beg, look the reason this guy, look the praise him, sing his praises. Nobody one person flop and I go talk say, hey, this guy no good, this guy no good. Maybe they come out and maybe they go. If the person simply when I say, this guy they try you. That's what it's supposed to be. Kevin Phillips said don't come outside the chook man for this Lacazette to Newcastle matter. So back on talk say if Lacazette go Newcastle, so it will be amazing signing for Newcastle because for Arsenal, say this guy moving forward, we need a new striker. I guess we don't go feel they depend on old cargo. So we need a new striker, maybe for January. But who will sign the best striker for January? Give you hard now. Imagine say person won't come now, say they won't come buy Aubameyang and they won't come buy Bukayo Saka. It is Arsenal will sell him. This Dominic Calvert-Lewin now said, how are we sure say Everton will even sign up for January? January is too soon. January in the middle of the season now. Many people don't go like to sell their best legs because if Everton sign now, Everton they pursue European slots now. If they go sell the guy to us now, I'm saying they don't need weaker because who then won't buy who they the same level of that guy. Even though they don't get another striker where they call Rondon, the guys say they play very well. Well, everything that is January, maybe to tempt them with money, give them like 50 million pounds. The stone the guy give us for the watch. This will be Leicester number 10. Don't come outside talk say that interest where Arsenal be the talk say that one sign and the team no come work. So the thing come making confidence come down. So the thing affecting psychic, the thing affecting well because making no lie. In get mind for that move was saying they think about them, but as you no come materialize, you no come know what is up. But then the money too much. But then Leicester talk say no, then no one say. But I know say in with Arsenal be talking representative with Arsenal be talk about the deal that time. But as you no come work, where Arsenal can go find Odegaard. Okay, let's say they talk say their money too high. They expect that kind of 60-70 million pounds. Who come go reason say okay, Mukuma go bring back Odegaard. We don't play on loan for here. Now that one go make sense for us. So the guy they can go deep in form small as Arsenal no can sign him again now. Well, now your own luck be that now. But they move on with Odegaard who don't sign. I know say a lot of people go down they see that support GFL TV button where they under the video will go upload. So we don't unlock fans subscription. So Facebook just send me message say we don't unlock them. So now our community members can support GFL TV and the amount where Facebook put there because the lowest amount now $5 and that $5 for Nigerian money now 1,800 naira and then put. So we need support. So I will still create another video to explain why this is very significant because a lot of people don't know say since 1 year now, since November 22, I mean September, we'll start this project 1 year plus now. I've been shooting all my videos, editing. I mean to do the editing by myself because I'm a professional video editor by the grace of God. So if you say not me to do editing now, for the pay person will edit the video after I shoot. Now my phone I use to shoot since I don't start this project because my phone they shoot HD. So now my phone I use the shoot, they edit them, they post them, everything. I mean they do them by myself. It takes me 5 to 6 hours every day. If I wake up by 5 o'clock, I'll start to do my research, do my news. So a lot of people don't really know the process behind these videos when they watch. Now just the end result when they see. Though I will still create another video to show why supporting us, supporting our ministry so that we'll get better equipment, change our studio, redesign the studio. Everything costs money. Now me don't use my own money since 1 year plus now. I never ask anybody 1 naira. So Facebook don't unlock this feature for us. Say okay, if you get any of our community members who want to support the show, like a monthly subscription just to the support us so that whoever will use them, they'll rebrand our show, get more greater heights. Like one even enter street self, you get new program idea, one take enter street. One day now street camp we call them, one day interview people, Arsenal fans, for street, let them know. All these things require funds. Only we don't fit push out the go like that. Go dey easy for me. I'm planning to buy a camera and they very easy. There are a lot of things. So if you say I get the power self to reduce that price, so maybe like 500 naira per month, I will reduce that. But now $1 now $5. So it's small though. But when you say Nigerian currency now, when you don't transfer them now, change them. You come turn to 1,800 and na Facebook una go pay. Facebook will come give us the money later. So that's so it just be. So I will still create another video to explain in depth why this support is important. And before I even talk about the support, one person that already support Oga Lakeside, Baba Tuale, respect you. We enjoy the way they support our show. I just surprised him. I just see the notification say Oga Lakeside don't support our show. He has subscribed. He paid 1,800 for a month subscription. So I just did surprise. Well, thank you, boss. On my monetary spirit, they monitor the match between Marseille and PSG. They let us know say William Saliba with Guendouzi. Say these two people they play very, very well for that match, even though they draw 0-0. And what to make the match this significant to say now against a PSG star-studded side. Again, where a lot of people believe say PSG will rule everybody, they slaughter everybody, but surprise, they can't play 0-0, they draw the match. So they're very happy with our boys and they play very well. But the challenge be say some people they talk say make Arsenal recall Guendouzi at the end of a low stint. Another people only talk say make them sell and go say the guy they too stubborn. I don't know do I own that thing. Which one you support? Say make them bring back Guendouzi. And Moko still tell them say make fine score. Even though Marseille get obligation to buy, but now we still go give the sanction. Now we go give the approval. Say okay, I mean I pay. Even though they give us money, fit also we don't sell again. No. I remember for me that situation they asked me, can I say, Baba, what is the stop now? She go bring back Guendouzi. Baba say, so we never know now. So we see the monitor the guys in at the end of the season. Well, what do you think now? At the same time, for media settings, so make Arteta come dey talk about the way Arsenal dey play, the fans and the process of the game. So Baba come dey talk say, you see this game, say remember for the beginning when we first lose our 3, everybody dey talk say make dem sack am, make dem sack Richard Garlick, make dem sack our technical director Edu Gaspar. You know, people dey talk plenty things, say but for now, say e don dey evident say the fans don trust the process. Again, they trust the process, they believe in the team. Say if we dey play for Emirates, you know see the way the fans dey support the team from the beginning of the match to the ending of the match. The way that they chant the players' name, the way that they sing like Ramsdale name, the way that they sing choruses, sing praises, you know, make the atmosphere electrifying, make it electric, make it hard for opposition to get a foothold of any of their players in the match. You know, ginger the boys, become the 12th man. The guys don't they talk plenty. This is why the guys say, confirm. This is why they feel the atmosphere, the way they be. If you dey for that Emirates stadium like this, you go know say, if fans dey for your back, nothing dey happen. What's the guy Liverpool? Where they never walk alone. You see for that Anfield, where the fans they sing that their song, they shine their banner, red banner everywhere. If you go for Signal Iduna Park of Dortmund, the same thing. Although yellow submarine, everybody go just they do happy. The same thing if you go Santiago Bernabeu of Spain, Madrid, you see everywhere white. You know this kind of thing, the ginger players, just everybody happy. Na so it just be now. I hope so that they trust the process they go. Don't be saying if the process can go get one kind kill leg for future now. I can't say we don't trust the game though. Now go trust them for whatever. At the same time, because they ask Baba about Aubameyang, so Baba can talk say, this Aubameyang where they play now. See, this is the best version of Aubameyang we don't ever see. So you see the way the guy they press from the top. Now they start the pressing as the forward when they there. They start the pressing before other people say we can't press. See the way he moves, his new movements now. You know the way he wipe shots, the way he plays now. So everything just be different about this guy. You just like say the guy don't go change himself. I'm really very happy with the guy. And in hope say the guy will keep up this momentum, will keep up the way they play now, so that moving forward everybody will look up to him because he's the leader. If a leader can be pressing non-stop, running non-stop, like I said, they press non-stop, running non-stop, why others no go press? So defending now a collective team, attacking self now a collective team. Anything now you do now collectively you get. Once now they collective, that will be a strong unity. Say it go hard for anybody to break them down. So that's why in the very happy with the guy. About today, Arsenal go play Leeds for cup game. For this one, I know plenty talk because Arsenal go rest a lot of their star names. We'll make like 10 changes. All those kind of Rob Holding, Pablo Mari, we expect them to come back. All those kind of Ketia, Martinelli, we're expecting these guys to come back. Lokonga Selfie still play, Elneny go play, Estimate Nice will come back. We're supposed to win. There is no plenty talk for all this one. So we'll still come back, come give a live update when the match will start for night. So now so it just be. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. And God bless you.